Just look at how soft and moist this banana bread turned out. Let me quickly show you how I made this delicious treat. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so first I toasted some almond nuts to bring out the deep nutty flavor. Yes, it makes a huge difference in your banana bread, trust me. So I roughly chop my almond nuts with my blender. Alright, for your bananas, always use overripe bananas, okay? They are naturally sweeter and make your bread super moist. I peeled and mashed my bananas with a fork until smooth. You can also blend lightly if you want a smoother texture. Alright, lovelies, here is a quick tip. If you don't want your bananas to overripe too fast, just wrap the head of the bunch, that is the stem, okay, with a tissue or serviette, dampened with a little water, okay. You can keep it on your countertop or even in the fridge. This slows down the ripening and keeps your bananas fresh for days. I have tried that severally, okay? Alright, but in case you have your banana that are already ripe or even overripe, you don't have to throw them away, alright? That is exactly why this video is for you. Just sit back, watch every step carefully and learn how to bake your own banana bread right from home with these simple ingredients. Okay, so next I added 2 eggs, 1 cup of liquid milk, 1 cup of brown sugar, and a half cup of white sugar, your granulated sugar. Okay, then I added my melted butter. It was not 100% melted, so it actually gave me a tough time. So please ensure to melt yours, completely. All right. Lovelies, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, okay? And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and share my videos. Please, thank you and God bless you. I added half tablespoon of baking soda. I'm not using baking powder for this, okay? I also added cinnamon powder. Of course, what is baking without a touch of cinnamon? Lovely, tell me, what is that flavor that you can't do without? As for me, I can't do without cinnamon, okay? Alright, so I gently folded in 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Yes, for this banana bread, we are using all-purpose flour, okay? Don't overmix it. Don't overmix, okay, so your bread stays soft. I added roughly chopped almond nuts, okay? Almond nuts aren't just for crunch, okay? They are packed with nutrients, okay? Plus they add that nutty aroma and beautiful crunch to your banana bread. I also added soaked mixed fruits and chocolate chips. This combination is heavenly. Lovelies, Take note of this. After soaking your mixed fruits, it's important to drain and pat them dry a little before adding them to your batter, okay? This helps remove excess moisture so your banana bread doesn't turn out soggy or too heavy. Our deliciousness is ready for baking. Alright, so I poured the batter into my pan and I sprinkled some extras on top for that rich look. So first I preheated the oven. I actually set that to 250 degrees to preheat the oven, after which I adjusted it to 160 degrees to bake for 30 minutes. But you know now, the light went off halfway, so I switched to my gas oven. And it still came out perfect. Just look at that. My God. Alright, lovelies, thanks for watching.